Applying the final finish is usually one of the very last steps in building a project. Some people call this step finishing, some call it staining. Those two things are similar, but not the same. A wood stain is meant to change the color of wood. You apply it to bare wood, and as you wipe or brush it on, the pigments in the stain stick to the wood surface and get caught in the pores. That's how stain changes the color of wood. Wood stain doesn't really seal and protect the wood though. Plus, once stain dries, the color can be kind of dull. Wood finish, on the other hand, is meant to protect the wood by sealing the wood fibers. And many finishes harden to prevent damage from scratches and to help the wood resist absorbing water. Wood finish is relatively clear, so it doesn't dramatically change the wood's color, though it will add some depth and sheen. You'll find finishes in many types, but for DIY projects, natural oils, polyurethane, or a blend of these two are the most common. Polyurethane and blends offer more protection than oil alone. Finishes can be applied to bare wood for a natural look. You can also apply finish over stain once it's dried to give the color some punch, sheen, and the protection that the wood needs.